Construction site checking step. Checklist foundation layout work. Checking northeast column distance, actual column, all straight, calculate total foundation and match drawing. Checklist foundation excavation work. Seeing drawing match foundation length and distance, calculate all measurement foundation depth check with help auto level. Checklist foundation mat reinforced. Checklist check steel bar diameter with help drawing, check steel bar between distance. Checklist plinth beam. Check main steel bar with the help drawing, check main steel bar between distance, check ring thickness with the help drawing, check ring distance between plinth beam, distance between ground level with the help drawing. Checklist column reinforcement. Blend measure with help of tape, check main steel bar diameter or numbers. Check ring thickness or distance between steel bar, plumb bombing straight. Checklist foundation PCC work. Foundation bottom clean PCC thickness, marking with the help drawing before PCC foundation bottom moisture watering. Checklist wall brick work. Check outer or inner wall thickness, straight wall with help thread or plumb bombing. Check window and door width. Checklist RCC slab. Reinforcement not outing slab, shuttering steel bar thickness, checking with help drawing steel bar distance center to center. Reinforcement concrete block, cover block. Check all bending wire, all joint.